Welcome to Avantika AI channel. Today, we're delving into the innovative world of artificial intelligence and uncovering how ChatGPT can pave the way for lucrative opportunities. Are you ready to harness the power of ChatGPT to earn money online? Let's dive right in. ChatGPT isn't just another AI tool. It's a game changer in the world of technology, offering endless possibilities for those who know how to utilize it effectively. Whether you're a freelancer looking to expand your services or an entrepreneur seeking innovative solutions, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep, courtesy of AI-powered chatbots. With ChatGPT, this dream can become a reality. The potential for AI earnings is staggering. From chatbot monetization to freelancing with AI, the possibilities are endless. Ready to take your earning potential to new heights? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on maximizing your income with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI earnings and beyond. Until next time, happy earning.